With Manong Jose, he did not teach me what footwork that I should learn. He just he told me just to imitate what he does, especially when he does the footwork, and he only asked me that the important thing is to achieve balance, wherein you can make a power strike, an accurate strike, and a very fast strike. So important thing there is whatever footwork that you will have, as long as you can have perfect balance in order to deliver a power strike with accuracy and with speed. Manong Jose do not have any secret footwork. Like I said, the method of Manong Jose when he taught me was that just imitate me, said Manong Jose. Do what I do, and then I will tell you if you have not done it right, then I will make some correction.